Hey, how's it going today? I just wanted to go ahead and post a quick video, from I guess anybody like myself who just amassed a bunch of tools and sometimes just itching to use your tools and deploy them out in the field. And a lot of times those tools aren't really gonna be able to solve issues for you. And this video is a good example of why it's necessary to just sometimes stick to the good old-fashioned visual inspection first and foremost. And that applies to everything, whether you're talking electrical, refrigeration side, airflow issues with ductwork. Like I said, sometimes I know, you invest in these expensive tools, and sometimes you just want to use them. I get it, and that's something I've got to work on myself a lot more, is just focusing first and foremost before I even pull out any instruments, to just visually inspect, do a physical inspection on anything that pertains to the issue we're having. Yeah, take a look and let me know what you think. All right, we'll see you around. Bye. Hey there, just thought I'd touch base with you guys real quick. A real quick, simple one, but that's the whole point of this video. I know sometimes, when you're out in the field, get a little bit, just get to the point where you start looking for, where you're just looking for more complicated issues. But this is just an example of a simple situation. The breaker was tripping, and it was just doing it intermittently. It would run for a while and trip. So this is what I found. Simple. This wire was just touching against this here, and it just rubbed out, shorted out. Just basically, it's just a little bit of inspiration, just to let you know, start simple first, and then go to the more complex issues. And that's something I just have to tell myself every day as well, because I know how it is. Well, just a quick one today. Just wanted to share this with you guys. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you like it, if you don't mind, give us a thumbs up and a subscription. Thanks a lot. We'll see you around.